refinery TOR dwumayefo se ne yakeka kro no was a board ne de won mugu no office ne ma bi wo hono ma won mo ya omunhu so Adom TV etwaso
Adwumayefo mo Tema Oil refinery nsem bi abomode ya todwa ene se enmene mo ya no omo percent panyefo epam mo board enam se de osifa odi ne nyuma e refinery honom na soboa odi board no wene se wate sika be yo hachechemu aduanan ede card investment ya sika be so hachechemu aduanan so wate ato ho odi ama torrentco ya sika mu be yo hachechemu aduano so wate ato honom se TOR Workers Charity Trust ya we nyina no enya de se wo mu efua so Bernardo Wusu e national chairman Emma General Transport Petroleum and Chemical Union edemato adwumayekuo no abrani Adom Kasee hwehwenkomo no sei ena ochire.
Interestingly, not only is the board of directors micromanaged by Mr. Adumakun, the board chairman, Mr. Apinting, and Ms. Sapara Grant, showing and demonstrated the high level of incompetence, but their continuous stay in office is a disgrace to the integrity of the appointing authority and a drain to the public purse. For their 18 months in office, these individuals have tolerated and wasted our time over an entity whose incorporated name started with Decimal Capital Vitor, then changed to Bedbridge Asset Management Limited, later to Torrentco Asset Management, and now Tema Energy Processing Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, all the changes or evolution of names are screwed under the presence of a new SPV to cover one scandal or the other. A responsible citizen and a key internal stakeholder of this refinery who shares in the president's charge for citizenship and not spectators. We want to bring to your attention to the latest development with a particular entity, Torrentco Asset Management Limited. As it stands now, due to the damning finding of due diligence reports, the surrogate of Torrentco, wearing the clothes of TOR board, has allowed 40% to CAD investment holding, 40% to Torrentco and 20% to TOR Workers Charity Trust.